Can you just see it just engulfing all those houses? Oh, dude, that thing is about to hit us soon.
Yeah, it is. Holy shit. I think it hit.
Alright, here it comes. Here comes the haboobi. Starting to get nice and windy now. Alright, it's about to hit this home right here. Are you ready for this? It's alright. It's starting to get super dark now. And there's the top of Camelback Mountain. Now you can't see Phoenix anymore. Yeah, it's like really red right now. You can't even, there's the top. You can't even see the top of Camelback Mountain anymore.